Wireless charging is a groundbreaking innovation that removes the need for a cable to be plugged into a phone for it to charge.
Wireless charging, also known as inductive charging, uses an electromagnetic field to transfer energy over a small distance between a transmitting pad and a compatible phone.
QI, pronounced Qi, from the Chinese word meaning energy flow, is the latest and most widespread standard of wireless charging. Qi certified chargers ensure the most up-to-date and highest level of safety protocols, including a foreign object detection system that knows only to charge compatible phones.
If your phone is Qi enabled, for example, a Samsung S6 and iPhone 8 onwards, then your phone is ready to go. If not, then you can use a wireless phone receiver. This enables your phone to wireless charge.
Wireless charging gives you the option of cable-free charging for your phone, eliminating tripping hazards on board boats, RVs, or in public spaces, offering quick and easy charging built into locations you need it the most.
At Scanstrut, our speciality is designing and engineering products that enable the use of technologies outdoors. Our ROKK wireless range is 12 to 24 volts input and can be wired directly into a boat or RV leisure battery system. And with its leading edge technology being housed in an IPX6 fully encapsulated sealed unit, it's totally waterproof and can withstand being used in harsh outdoor conditions.
There is no risk to the phone or the user, as our wireless charging range has been independently certified to meet Qi, ROHS, FCC and CE standards to guarantee safe charging in all conditions.
ROKK Wireless Hidden is subsurface, hidden from view, but always ready to charge. Surface is the ultra low profile, non-slip design, and bezel is a quick and simple installation.
You can find out more through our worldwide distributor network or directly from the Scanstrut sales team. Discover ROKK Wireless at scanstrut.com.